Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a Hiseeu 2K 360 degree security camera. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Oh, it's very colorful. And this is the camera. Speakers. And we have the mini SD card there. And the antennas. This is 5 megapixels. With the power supply. Some other tools you can use. This is the camera. This is for LAN port. If you want to use the wire internet connection. This is power supply. This is reset button. Let me go ahead and install the application. I installed it. Let me go to the application. Agree. Let me use Google. I'm just gonna add the smart device. Let me go ahead and scan it. Let's see. First of all, I'm just gonna turn it on. It says microphone. Get it? It's resetting its position. And blinking lights. Device is blinking. Okay, let's go ahead and use the camera to scan the QR code. Let's see. I heard the prompt.
Wireless settings, please wait.
Alright, I'm waiting. Let's go ahead and wait for a while. Let's try to do the network connection. Let's look at the light.
The wireless connection is successful.
Thank you so much. It's gonna be the front yard. Let's go ahead and put front yard. Confirm. That device is successfully. I don't need any free cloud right now. Let me go ahead and look at the quality. Let's go ahead and look at the settings. Image settings, night vision, image rotation, humanoid detection frame, motion detection alert, humanoid, motion tracking, motion detection area settings. I mean, you can go ahead and use the area mode or cordon mode. You can use that. Motion tracking. All right. Motion siren settings. The siren volume is warning lights. Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Oh, you can hear the voice. Did you see the difference between HD mode and AST? It's very clear. You can motion detection, there is cruise, siren, PTZ calibration, and you can look at the photo album. Full screen. Alright, I installed it there. Right there. And it's on. This is my area. Let's go ahead and look at it on the application. Okay, let me go ahead and look at it, some of the features. I'm gonna go ahead and talk. Hello. Now it's nighttime. You can see it right there. And let me go ahead and turn on the lights. And what else? The sound. Let me go ahead and use the microphone. Hello. Hello. Let me see the detection alert.